Qualified immunity is a legal doctrine that shields government officials, including law enforcement officers, from being held personally liable for civil damages in the performance of their duties. For police officers, qualified immunity serves as a crucial protection, allowing them to carry out their duties without constant fear of personal financial ruin due to lawsuits. However, the concept of qualified immunity has faced criticism for its impact on citizens. It can make it challenging for individuals to hold officers accountable for alleged misconduct or civil rights violations. As cases of police brutality and misconduct gain attention, there's a growing call for reforming or abolishing qualified immunity to ensure greater accountability and justice for citizens. Legal scholars, policymakers, and activists are actively debating the merits and drawbacks of qualified immunity, with some arguing that its existence undermines trust in law enforcement and the justice system. In conclusion, qualified immunity is a complex legal concept with far-reaching implications for both police officers and citizens. Understanding its uses and impact is crucial in shaping conversations around law enforcement accountability and justice in society. Closing text. Subscribe for more informative content on legal and social issues.
Elijah McClain did not die in vain. He was instrumental through his death to ending qualified immunity in Colorado. Rest in peace, young man. Check out the video that follows as Lester Holt from NBC discusses the changes in Colorado.
In the nearly 7 months since the death of George Floyd, one state has passed a landmark law to hold police more accountable for excessive force. Erin McLaughlin has our joint NBC News investigation with the Marshall Project.
Party.
Elijah McClain was a 23-year-old with no criminal record, walking home from a store in August 2019, Aurora, Colorado. Police stopped him following a call of a suspicious person wearing a ski mask.
Stop. I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious.
The confrontation quickly escalates.
Stop tensing up. Stop. Relax.
Officers used a now banned chokehold to restrain McClain.
My name is Elijah McClain. I'm just going home.
Paramedics then administered ketamine to sedate him. He was rushed to the hospital unresponsive. Days later, pronounced dead. McClain's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the officers, who denied wrongdoing and were shielded legally from civil suits under a then law in Colorado called qualified immunity, which makes it difficult to sue police for serious misconduct.
For too long, law enforcement officers have not even had to stand in front of a court or a judge and say, here's what I did, and here's why I did it. Instead, they've been able to claim qualified immunity and not even have to go through that process. I think that's wrong.
McClain's case and others pushed Colorado lawmakers to take drastic action to enhance police accountability. Over the summer, Colorado became the first state to end qualified immunity.
It allows a jury to make the determination of whether or not there was a constitutional violation.
Meaning police officers can now be held personally liable for up to $25,000 if their department determines they acted in bad faith. Police union officer Rob Pride claims the new law leaves the community less protected.
It's causing officers to hesitate doing their job. We do not want them hesitating.
And even leading some officers to leave the force entirely.
If they have to make a split-second decision to save the life of a community member or themselves, we don't want them thinking about $25,000.
If that hesitancy is keeping people in our communities alive, I think it's the right thing. Officers should have to think before they pull the trigger. They should.
Humanity matters! McClain's family and activists now hoping other states will follow suit. Erin McLaughlin, NBC News, Denver.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Just like any occupation, the police must be held liable for their mistakes, intentional acts, and male or misfeasance. All police are not bad nor good. Every occupation that is known to man has both its good and